Can a generic keyboard truly deliver a professional-grade gaming experience? Or is it just another flashy light show trying to grab your attention? This USB-wired gaming mechanical keyboard, featuring a full 104-key layout and those highly sought-after blue switches, certainly makes some bold claims. From the moment one lays their fingers on it, the promise of a professional-grade shaft becomes evident. There's a delicate hand feeling, yes, but what truly stands out is that unmistakable, satisfying percussion. You really feel that click, hear that clear paragraph feeling, and experience a strong, crisp trigger sense with every press. For gamers, this tactile and auditory feedback can be incredibly important, providing that immediate confirmation of an input. The design team clearly put thought into the larger keys, too. The special satellite axis design ensures that big buttons like the spacebar, shift, and enter keys offer a quick rebound without any frustrating paper jams. This is a subtle but crucial detail that enhances responsiveness and reliability, especially during intense gaming sessions where every millisecond counts. Beyond the core mechanics, the keyboard doesn't shy away from aesthetics. It supports 6 distinct cool backlight themes, and each of those themes further offers 3 unique backlight effects. This level of customization allows users to truly personalize their setup, matching their mood or their battle station's overall vibe. It's more than just a static glow. It's an interactive light show that adds to the immersive experience. Ergonomics are also a key focus here. The design is specifically tailored for individuals who spend long hours at their desk, whether they are dedicated gamers, military officers, or anyone else demanding comfort and efficiency. This humanized approach extends to the inclusion of a series of convenient shortcut and function keys, streamlining common tasks and putting essential controls right at your fingertips. It's about making the user experience as seamless and intuitive as possible. Despite being labeled as a generic brand, this KCD-KKABS model seems to pack a surprising punch in terms of features and claimed performance. It's not just about the flashy lights. It's about the underlying mechanical precision and thoughtful design choices that aim to elevate the user's interaction. Ultimately, this USB-wired gaming mechanical keyboard with its blue switches and robust feature set presents itself as a compelling option for those seeking a responsive, tactile, and customizable input device. It appears to deliver on its promises of crisp feedback and ergonomic comfort, making it a strong contender for anyone looking to enhance their gaming or typing experience without necessarily breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.